Good morning, kids.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Okay, our today's activity is okay. Snaya, come here. Snaya, come here. First, okay. Pick the correct number and paste on the blackboard. Okay. Okay, very good. Clapping for Snaya. Very good. You can go. Shivans, come here. Shivans, come here. Shivans, come here. Pick the correct number and paste on blackboard. Okay, very good. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, very good. Clapping for Shivansh. Okay. Anya, come here. Pick up the correct number. Pick up the correct number. Okay, paste on the board. Where? Snaya, where? Lagao. Paste on the board. Okay. Okay. Clapping for Anya. Very good. Garima, come here. Okay. Pick the correct number and paste on the board. What number is this? Garima, what number is this? 7. Okay, very good. Okay. Mukund, come here. Pick the correct number and paste on the board. Okay. Paste on the board. Okay, very good. What number is this?
8.
Very good. Okay, you may go now. Who's come next? Lavit, come here. Okay, very good. Pick the correct number and paste on the board. Okay, very good. Clapping for Lavit. Which number is this, Lavit?
10.
Okay, very good.